My cursor is sitting somewhere in my HTML tree and I need a div surrounding the outer blocks. I could go and move my cursor and do the opening tag and the closing tag, but instead I'll make a selection without using the mouse, extend it up to the block that contains what needs to be surrounded, and then do find action and search for surround with. From the pop-up, choose surround with tag and, for example, put in a P. Now that was pretty interesting, but I can also do a different variation of inserting elements using the Emmet system. This time I will mark my block, I'll mark my selection, and I will invoke surround with Emmet and choose something like div.dark, and it will surround it with a div, but with the class name of dark.